Hey there, thanks for watching my VerTex review by Mosh Bari, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. Hi, I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as I do the research on it. We're going to go over the strategy they want you to use and any problems that I see with it. And if you guys are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to check out our instant access link in the description below to see how we started doing it. While you're down there, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you. All right, let's see what VerTex promises us. This is the first foolproof traffic solution Mosh Bari has seen. See how these simple pre-made videos send them thousands of free clicks on autopilot in 60 seconds. We're going to drive massive free traffic to any offer in any market. It's 100% newbie friendly. And again, first of its kind technology. That's enough of the sales page. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Here we are in VerTex. When you come in, you have your training. It is down below all of your bonuses, so just keep scrolling. And you have 3 little videos here that go over the functionalities that we're going to find in VerTex. Next, you're going to choose your template. When you hover over the box, it tells you what it is under it. They give you 18 different templates to choose from. Let's look at Facebook post. Automatically, when I came in, I had some sizing issues. I thought maybe if I did my screen, it did not work. So there's a zoom button. I tried that. And I've purchased this and I am having sizing issues. After I got over the sizing issue, I noticed really quickly that I have seen this before. If we take a look at Alpha by Billy Darr, they have the exact same options. If we take a look at Aura by Billy Darr, the same options. And again, if we look at Viper by Billy Darr, this one says TikTok instead of videos, but it is the same platform. So Mosh Bari has taken this from Billy Darr and repackaged it with different colors and is selling it for $19. It doesn't work. If I were to come in here and add text, I can change the color if I want to change the color. Can add elements, move things around. I can send it forward and move it backward. But if for some reason I were to delete this, there is no way for me to get it back. So I would have to be able to know what that font was and go put a text element back in. There's just no way to go backwards, which seems really silly. That would be a really easy thing to put into this dashboard. They do have some audio clips that they're giving you so that you can add audio to the videos if that's what you would like. Once you get this done, you would save it. It does take a minute to go through the progress. And then you also have to download it. I found I was having issues with the download. I did have to disable the pop-up blocker at the top of my screen to get this to work for me properly. And don't go away until this button is done spinning, because this is saving it into your designs, which is where we're going to go next. Once that saves, it does bring you straight into my designs. I have been playing around with this today. Again, there is no blue banner on these. It's saving them this way. So let's take a look at one of these videos. Hit play. We're seeing the same problems I saw earlier. It's just the sizing, and I can't fix it in the program. Next, you're supposed to take this video that you made and go to Social Blast. Now, they told us we were going to have 80 plus traffic sources. They did not tell us it would be 80 plus social media sharing buttons. And this is what these product vendors always tell us is traffic. If you guys want to know the 5 truths about social media that these product vendors don't want us to know, be sure to click that video linked above, where Kim goes into much more detail about that. But the problem here is going to be if you don't have a list of people on Facebook that want to buy from you, then you have nowhere to send this. You would select your project, and then you would click on whichever button you have followers on to send this to them and hope they will buy it. Again, this is always the same buttons that they give us. Half of them don't make any sense. I'm not sure why we'd send a video like this to Amazon or why we would send it to Evernote, which is a note-taking app. But this is the 80 plus free sources of traffic that are going to get you free buyer traffic. And that's just not going to work unless you're prepared with a list of people ready to buy from you on these platforms. So based on the quality of my videos that I've gotten out of this, I certainly don't recommend VerTex. I would no way spend $19 on it. And in the training that they provide, it certainly does not check off the 5 components of good affiliate marketing training that Kim has told us about in the video above. But they also don't give you any kind of strategy for what to do with these videos once you make them. They don't tell you anything about affiliate links. They don't tell you anything about how to put this into an email sequence. They don't give you any information on what to do with these videos. And as a newbie, that's probably your first question. And because this is the 4th version of this product that has gone out, if we take a look at Billy Darr, who runs his digital page designs on Warrior Plus, he has sold 2,000, 3,000, 3,000, over 8,000 copies of these 3 products that look just alike with the same videos and the same templates in them. So there's nothing unique about the video that you're going to be sending out unless you go in here and start one from scratch. If you're going to do that, I have a different product I'm going to recommend for you guys. Canva is completely free, and you can come in here and do exactly the same thing in little to no time at all. If we look at the Facebook video, it already has the size that we need on it. Now we need a video for it. Now, we could pay for a video in Canva or see if Canva has one, or we could go to Pixabay. Let's find a picture of people running. You would want to make sure you say videos. As we scroll, we just want to see, I'm sorry y'all, I forgot to tell you here, we're going to use this template as our inspiration to make this Canva. If we can find some people maybe running by the water. So there we go. This is also free, so you'll download it. Go back into Canva and upload that video. This takes just a few seconds for it to upload into the system. I'm really going to try not to cut out as much of this as I possibly can, but there will be some bits of silence that need to cut out. But I really just kind of wanted to show you how quick and easy this was for you to make your own or to get inspiration to make your own. Okay, I had to cut a little bit because that took a little longer to get loaded in. You click on the video and the video goes in. Now these people are running the opposite direction, but just to show you how easy this is, I'm going to flip the picture so that they're running the same way as the other video. All right, let's get back to the original and see what our inspiration looked like. Make sure I got it. And we'll go back into Canva. Let's start working on that blue box down in the corner. I'm going to pick a box element. I'm going to set this on its side and do it down in the corner. Obviously, you would make it as big as you need. We'll make it a dark blue color. That looks good. Then we're going to want some text on top of that so we can add a heading. This one will make yellow. If you notice, I haven't adjusted the video on this yet, and that's because I want to put the overlays on before I size it. You can use the little handlebars to move them around. If this is too small for you, you can make it a little bigger to talk so you can see what you're doing. Then you would just pull other ones in to get this as close to your inspiration piece as you possibly can. I do not recommend trying to recreate this one. Like I said, these aren't going to be original. I would instead go find 1, 2, or 3 that you really, really like, and then take pieces of those and kind of make your own. You really want this to be unique and original. You don't want everybody to have seen these before, especially if you want them to buy something from you. I also had added a circle. I think I kept that gray. I also added in some font text. It was Berkshire Swash, I think. So again, we're just going to do a few little tweaks. Try to make this look just like the other one, or as close as I can get it. They really do have a lot of fonts in here. All right, it's only fair I get to cut out me scrolling through all the different text options. So let's change this color. We're going to widen it out, put it back up on top of this circle like we had it on the other one. Let's look back at our picture. Make sure we've got everything we're looking for the most part, as close as I can possibly get that in the time I have for this video. We'd resize the video because we want it to fill up the whole page. And then here's one of the things they don't tell you to do, which you can do in Canva. So if you wanted to actually add this as a link, you could come in here and put your affiliate link in. I'm just going to use affiliatemarketinginformant.com for this purpose. Click apply, and then anytime somebody taps this, they would be sent to the link you directed them to. See, this is a little off. I want to fix that. There we go. And I would come in here and make this look much, much better. But if we're just looking at this video, we've got people running. We've got all of the things the same. Your heading is actually an affiliate link. You could make all the words in here go to that same link. That way, if they clicked on anything, it would take them to your offer. And guys, that is how easy you would do it. Just download into your computer. And then if you wanted to share it on social media, you could do that yourself. And back on Canva's homepage, just to take a look, if you look at their templates, they have tons and tons of stuff that you can do here. If you are in this system and there is something you want to use, see it says free at the bottom. If there's a charge for it, it tells you. And there's a pricing structure. They're usually fairly cheap. I want to say that the only one I've ever purchased was $1, but I typically don't need to purchase anything in here. I can always find something that typically works with it. Now, if we take a look at VerTex's pricing, on the front end, they're going to charge you $19, which is just absolutely silly. I did show you guys how to make this for free. So I honestly hope that you don't need this part of the video. They have 5 OTOs listed on this page. If we were to go by this page, it would be $520 for this system. But when we purchased it, and I'm going to use Canva again real quick. When we purchased it, they sent us a link for 11 different upsells. There are a total of 11 upsells in this product. Now, I'm not even going to go through what they are, but I will tell you that with the 11 instead of just the 5, your total price comes to $1,405 for a broken product that Mosh Bari knows is broken. So if we look at Mosh Bari's products, he seriously just takes these products, repackages them, and re-releases them over and over and over again. Today is July 29th, where he's releasing VerTex. He's got 2 more every month, 3 in October, 3 in December. He's going to be busy putting these out, not fixing any of the broken functionalities within VerTex. If we look back on the sales page, this is definitely not the first foolproof traffic solution. There is in no way a drive for massive free traffic with the 80 social media sharing buttons. This is not newbie friendly. They don't tell you how to use this or what to do with it. And the rest of this sales page just says a lot of the same. Guys, please don't waste your time or your money on VerTex by Mosh Bari. If you guys are looking for honest, free training to learn ethical ways to make money online, be sure to go down to our description and click our instant access link. While you're down there, give me a like if this video helped you out. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.